Yeah, mommy, where are you guys going to this evening? You're dressed like this.
We are going to Valentine party.
Okay. So, what is Valentine?
I'm making a walk along one.
Oh. How? How do you mean that? You let him make a walk in a wine on Valentine? What do you mean?
I'm walking along one.
Oh, okay. That's good. What do you have to say? So, is it for only married people or just walking a wine?
Oh, no, my American. When you did. Oh, America, our boyfriend and girlfriend.
Oh, so boyfriend and girlfriend is allowed, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see. That's good. So why aren't you going to red today?
Oh, coincidental.
Ah.
I been one of the
long coincidental. I had it for Valentine.
Okay, I had it for Valentine.
You can coincidental again.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So today is the day you're going to show love for her, right?
Yeah.
How long have you people been married for?
Oh,
57 years.
Wow, that's great, man. And you people still love each other? Okay, if you love each other, kiss her. Let's see.
Kiss her.
I
never kiss like Nigeria.
No, where man I like kissing.
Why? It's an expression of love. Even Jesus kissed himself.
Jesus kissed.
Oh, okay.
Hey! Jesus kissed.
Until when did they let this thing? Are you rejecting your husband? How the kiss here? It means that you are seeing another man. Is that true? Oh! Woo! This is sexy, man. Come on. Oh, so I believe that. You guys look very great. So, young couples who are